is the answer. Ready? Silent. Looking for a thumb up. 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%. 50, that's okay. 50%, 60%. Alex, thumb 70%, 80%, 90%, 100%. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. I need to get to 120. 110%. Do you need to rebuild? There you go. Okay, 120%. So, I'm turning on the music. We all know that we're silent because we all put our thumb up. Anthony, if you want to use the carol, just slide back so that you don't have any distractions, okay? That will solve your problem. Here we go. Minutes. We have 1 more minute. Pots, again, look at this entire table. You give an entire table addition, just constantly validating that they are where they're supposed to be. Hard work. More seconds. So if you're rebuilding, you're just resting or defending your running. Right? You're not really doing anything else. Okay, make sure you're doing that. Anthony is taking them out. Okay. Alright, in 10, I need pencils to slow down. 9, finish your sentence. 8, start to finish your thoughts. 7, pencil down. 6, looking up. 5, looking interested. 4, 3, 2, 1, sitting in star. 1 sitting in star. Hold your question. I need you to follow the first direction. 1 sitting in star. 1 sitting in star. Sade, I'm waiting for you. 1 sitting in star. Anthony, let me just see. I'm sorry that careless, making it unable for me to see. And now that this student has moved, you can move right back over here. Okay, show me 1 sitting in star. Show me 1 sitting in star. Naraya, do me a favor and turn your knees this way. So we have a student that just needs a little bit of support. And we're making sure that we're helping him do that. Okay, Malachi, let me see your beautiful face. Maybe. Thank you. Okay, Alan, if you're ready to come back, you need to follow the procedure. Raise your hand so I can check your TFB. So go back, raise your hand so I can check your TFB. Right? Because rolling your eyes is not good facial expression. Yes?
Can we do
the basketball net? What a great idea. So students that are participating, I will allow to use the basketball net. Thank you very much for keeping me on track. So, I'm looking around. I'm looking around and I would like to call on students. You ready to return? Okay, stand up. Let me see your tone, face, and body. Are you ready to return?
Yes.
Excellent tone. Let me see your facial expression. Oh, he's even smiling. And let me, hold on, Abe. Freeze. I need to see your calm, appropriate body position. So you shouldn't be walking in a way that distracts others. Okay, here we go. Okay, so Abe, go back. Try it again and walk in a way that doesn't distract others. Everyone else, eyes on me. If you have an idea on your paper, I will pass you the ball. If you do not have an idea on your paper, you may use this time as we're giving ideas to put an idea on your paper. It is not cheating for you to write or draw an idea that you hear. So by the end of this lesson, raise your hand if you should have 3 ideas on your paper. Raise your hand if you should have 3 ideas, waiting for 100%. Raise your hand if by the end of this lesson, you should have 3 ideas. Abraham waiting for you, Anthony waiting for you. Raise your hand if by, yes, Anthony, thank you. Abraham waiting for you to know that you're back and that you've rebuilt properly. So sit silently and raise your hand. Saviana waiting for you. There we go. By the end of this lesson, you should have 3 ideas. They don't have to be your own. All right, Naraya, start us up. Give me one idea that you have or prior knowledge about accepting consequences. What do you think?